Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Zambulkar. In this video, we will see interfaces in Java programming language. Interfaces are block of statements just similar to abstract classes, but there are more restrictions on interfaces. For example, all methods in interfaces are abstract, while all variables in interfaces are constants. So these methods are defined by keyword abstract and variables are defined by keyword final. So all methods along with abstract they are public and all constants so as though they are defined constant by final keyword and also they are public and static. These interfaces are defined by keyword interface just similar to class interface keyword is used to define this interface. Now in this case you can see here we are creating one object of interface. So we have written shape s is equal to new shape. Shape is our interface. Now if you run this program, so here we are getting error. What is the error? Here it is mentioned that shape is abstract. So just similar to abstract classes, our interface is also abstract and because of that we can't create any object of interface. Now if we want to implement the method provided by this interface, if we want to use this interface, we need to implement this interface in some class and in that class we need to write code for this abstract method. Now look at this example. So same example I have taken here. So this interface that we have defined there, then we are implementing this interface. To implement this interface we are using this keyword implements. So in this class where we are implementing this interface, there we are writing code for this method. Here you can see. And now here in main method we are creating object of this interface and it is as it is implemented by this class circle. So we are writing like this is equal to new and the class which is implementing that interface. And then we are calling this draw method. So we'll run this. Get compiled. Now we'll run this. So we got the output. So here we have implemented this interface by using this class, and in this class we have written code for this method. Here you can see. Now there is one more way to implement interface by using anonymous classes. Look at this example. So here we have not written any class to implement this interface. Instead of that, here you can see while creating object of this interface, here only we are implementing it. So here in curly brackets we are implementing this method draw method which is declared in this interface. So here we are writing code for that. So all the methods which is mentioned in this interface we can implement here. So here we have not mentioned, we have not written any class, and that's why it is called as anonymous class. This interface is implemented by anonymous class. So if we run this, so got compiled and we got the output, same output we got. So in this second example we have written this class, while here instead of writing class we have used anonymous class to implement this interface. Now look at this. Main advantage of interface is to allow multiple inheritance. That already we know that Java doesn't support multiple inheritance by using classes. Multiple inheritance in the sense inheriting multiple parent classes into one child class. But that is not allowed by Java language, so we can't do it by using class. But same thing we can achieve it by using interfaces. So you can see in this example. So this is one interface shape, another interface show, This interface is providing one method draw, and this interface is providing method display. Now we are implementing both these interfaces in one class. Here you can see we are implementing both these interfaces in one class. So it is not possible by using classes, as Java doesn't support multiple inheritance, but it is possible with the interfaces. So here we are implementing both interfaces, shape and show, and here we are writing code for the method. So this is the draw method from this interface, then this is the display method from this interface. So both are written here, both are implemented here. So here in main method we are creating object of this class where we are implementing both interfaces. Then we are calling these methods, draw method and display method. So if we run this, we got the output. So this is a draw method of shape interface, and this is a display method of show interface, and both these interfaces are implemented in one class. So that's why we have achieved multiple inheritance by using interface. Then there is one concept called as marker interface. Marker interface are those interfaces which doesn't have any body for any method. So those interfaces are called like marker interface. So as from the name you will come to know, these interfaces are used to mark something. For example, this serializable. Serializable is an interface, predefined interface, and it is a marker interface in the sense this interface doesn't have any method. So here it is used to mark this class as a serializable. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notification of my next video. So stay connected. Thank you.